this one we got a Max in front, got Audi R8s, got everything, but active. Alright boys, you feel that, yeah?
R8s and all that.
Oh, but we're in the back like swinging all over the place. Yes people, I hope you are all well. So as you probably know, we are in Germany currently and we're actually doing a little GoPro video today. We're just driving through the local little town, so we are like literally 2 minutes away from the Nürburgring where we're staying. But we just thought we'd take you for a little drive around the area. It's a little city and that. It was a mad drive here, you'll probably see that in part 1. But yeah man, these roads are sick down here. Like, it's just, we turn traction off even though it's raining, but we'll send it. But yeah, so we put 102 in the car last night and it actually makes a difference. Like, I know some people might think it doesn't, but it generally makes a big difference to the car. Like, the pops are a lot louder, it definitely pulls better as well. Yeah, so if you're thinking about putting 102 in your car when you come to Germany, I definitely recommend it. Flies, man. So right now I don't really know where we're actually going. We're just driving to our mate's house. But also, I'm going to say this now, has anyone had problems with the Apple CarPlay not working in their Golf? Because I can't even get mine to work, it just keeps disconnecting without doing anything. It is actually the most annoying thing ever, and I've changed the cables around multiple times, different ones. It's so annoying. We're going straight on. This is the way we came, innit? But yeah, like, look at this, the scenery around here is actually mental. And as you see, most of the cars around here are literally just modified cars. There's full of modified cars. If you love modified cars, this is 100% the place you can be. As you can see on here, just look at the road, man. Obviously I'm not going to boot it because it is wet, but you get an idea of, you know, how good these roads actually are. It's just sketchy, but it's definitely 100% recommend just coming down here, have a little blast. You know, we'll turn traction back on and we can send it a little bit better. I mean, look at that, like, you don't get views like this all the time in the UK. It's mental, like, jeez. A different experience driving over here. I've literally never driven abroad before, so it's the first time me actually driving on the wrong side of the road. And to be fair, I think I've only messed up a couple of times. I thought I'd mess up a lot more than I actually did. But we're doing alright so far. There's GT3, ooh, what's that? That looks nice. But yeah, there's a lot of rental car places as well. So, you know, even if you came here on a plane without a car, you'll be able to rent a car to go on the track with. And we will be doing, for now, just one lap on the track. But you know, we'll see how we do. I'll see how nice the track is, but it's just raining a lot recently, so I want to wait until the water's cleared up a bit. Honestly man, these roads are actually sick. Oh, imagine going down there, that is sick. Just look at these roads, man. Such good roads. Mental. Oh, it's actually mental. There's literally, like, I've seen no police as well. I hope you guys can hear that. So sick. massive hairpins like this as well. Like if you was in like an M2 or M140, you could full on just send it around here. Look at this viewpoint. This is mental. Oh my god, these roads are amazing. Honestly, even if you lot just came down here just for a drive, it's mental. Are you going the right way still? I can't lie, I'm not even bothered, mate. These roads are sick. Nice little hairpin, dip it in. Proper popping now. Yeah, it's proper old school down here as well. Like it's not, it's kind of new builds, but just tell me what is it not doing anything? Mate, what is that? Oh my god. Mad, isn't it? No, it's actually sick. I don't care. Germany is the place to go for viewpoints. They've got a nice little beer. I just thought I'll show you guys quickly. This is how mad the views are out here. You know, obviously we've got the Golf, but just look, it's mental out here. So I'm gonna get a quick snap for the Insta. But yeah, it's literally mental around here. We've got the Golf out here looking pretty, as you can see. Like she's looking so sexy right now. One of the viewpoints, it's just mental. So there's police up there. We're gonna get a little photo. No cars coming, that's cool. But yeah, honestly, mental weather out here. So I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you're liked and subscribe, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next YouTube video, and we will be sending it on the track. So hope you are enjoying the German videos out here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, we got a Max in front, got Audi R8, got everything, but it's active. The line, boys. You feel that, yeah? R8 and all that. No, but we're in the back, like swinging all over the place.